It's important to be here because what is happening, what we share is a feeling. I feel like it's less about thought and logic, but it's more about feeling that something is up, that something is not right in the world. People are shouting freedom, and I think this is probably a word that we all share today, although we're probably all here for slightly different reasons.
We're fighting for our freedom. We're taking to the streets and we want to take back our freedom. Freedom is a big thing. Just now we're losing our human rights and it's not good.